Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to check your Apple iPhone's warranty period and also check your serial number and software version details. So how to check it? So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all open your iPhone settings menu. So here you can go to general settings and then select about section and the first one. So now you can see, so it shows my device name, software version, model number and serial number informations, and also it shows my warranty period, and this is mentioned as limited warranty, which means that these iPhones have only 1 year of warranty period. So if I try to press this limited warranty option, so it also shows hardware coverage and technical support is available or not. And then followed by it shows my internal storage details, how much MP3 songs, videos, photos and applications I stored in my device. So anyway, so by using this way you can know your all details about your iPhone. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.